Are you musical? Do you enjoy art? Maybe you're a fitness freak or a computer geek. Kia ora, my name is Alyssha and I'm from Matapuna Training Centre. We offer a range of free courses for youth aged 16 to 17 years old. We have business administration and computing, multimedia and visual arts. We also have music and sporting pursuits. We also offer free adult programs, training for work and Kickstart, which will help you gain valuable skills to move into sustainable employment or a higher level of tertiary education. We provide our students with free intensive literacy and numeracy, a free personal trainer and gym membership. We also have a social worker and careers advisor on site. So, for further information, please phone 06 8686 094. That is 06 8686 094. Or check out our website www.matapuna.co.nz. So, take your first step with Matapuna. Inquire today.